Oh, every time I see you, 그대 눈을.
Hey, Poppy, how was guitar practice?
Horrible. I got hiccups at guitar practice. When I was playing my song, I got hiccups at there. Now with Huckleberry Muffets.
Ray, that sucked.
Hold on, let me check my phone. So the first thing to do is to drink a glass of water slowly.
Pickles, I thought that was gonna work.
Okay, so the next one is hold your breath for 10 seconds and then be upside down.
Oh, I got one try to bite a lemon. That gets rid of my hiccups.
Is your hip up stone? Oh, I got one. Try to eat peanut butter. That could spread of mine hiccup. Here, China is good for you.
Finally, they're gone.
Oh boy, I can't wait to taste this. Huckleberry muffin.
When the preppy Roblox girl tried to get those huckleberry muffins, Poppy's hiccups were getting rid of.